In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate evolution cards in Clash Royale so you can level up your cards faster and dominate your battles. First, you want to open up your Clash Royale and go to your card collection. Here you'll see all the cards you currently own. Now look at the card that has the evolution icon. It usually looks like a glowing arrow or badge on the card. Evolution cards allow you to combine multiple copies to unlock the next level faster. Now you want to tap on that evolution card to see the required number of duplicates and gold needed to activate it. Make sure you have enough resources before proceeding. Once you meet the requirements, tap activate. Your card will instantly evolve to the next level, giving you higher stats and more power in battles. You can use evolution cards for multiple cards in your collection. Always prioritize the cards you use the most in your deck to maximize your battle advantages. So that's it. Activating evolution cards is simple and is a great way to level up your deck faster. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe.